tell that you've been practicing. Hi vlog, just checking in. Today is January 9th, 2026, and I'm on set today with Eloquy. We're shooting a February campaign and the photos are sickening. I look and feel good, and I'm about to eat lunch. I'm having salmon, Brussels sprouts, and potatoes so I can get refueled so that we can finish out the day. Hi vlog, welcome back. If you don't already know, we are officially prepping for Fashion Week. I'm on my way to my agency, Muse, New York, and we're taking digitals for Fashion Week today. I have my handy dandy suitcase and it's filled with all of my looks that we're gonna be picking out today. It'll be a good meeting. So, I'll see you guys inside. That one. I think it's just kind of dry.
I like that it has a strap. I thought it was just a clutch.
Let me see the vision. I know I'm wearing black, but we have like our like
Anytime I have it, without a doubt, people say,
First jab is a little bit lighter. The second one's a little bit harder. That cross is the hardest punch you've ever thrown. Throw it. Alright, check it out, guys. One, go. Lean into it. Come on. Breathe. Breathe with this. Try to take control. A little bit more stability. Baby, nice and slow. Good. Alright, bye.
we did it.
Especially on a day like a Sunday when it's cold and crazy outside. It's waves, your ball, and all of that are just stacked where they were when you started.
I really wanted to invite people who also really value wellness and community and fashion and also fitness and just bring them in, make it a space where people can network and get to know one another and also sweat. So I'm really happy you guys are all here.
Your girl is drenched in sweat. We made it Sunday after this. I'm gonna relax. I'm doing nothing else today, so I'll catch you guys later in the vlog.
I don't wanna feel tonight. It's just that I ain't in the freaky life. It's just that I ain't in the mood tonight. I swear you're the only one that does it right. If I was in the mood, yeah, it would be nice.
Hey vlog. We are at at the sauna. I guess this vlog, it's, yes, pre-fashion week shenanigans. And as a model, a part of my like pre-fashion week routine, I like to stay on top of my health. So we are at the sauna, and I'm gonna be in here for the next 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna head out. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Like, I thought I'd pick up and vlog because my new campaign with Eloquy just came out, and the images are stunning. I look so good. I am on my way to my friend's perfume launch party, and this is just so New York. I'm walking to go have a cute girls' night, some cocktails. Campaign just dropped. I'm like fast walking, trying to get there and meet my friends because I'm running a little late, but also I have to see these images, and I'm like sitting here saving, and I'm like, when am I gonna have the proper time to process this? Because this is one of my first shoots in a while where I feel like I look like me. I feel like me. My energy was able to be properly channeled, and I'm just so excited. But we're here now, and I will talk to you guys later. We've arrived. Dear friend Maite. We've literally known each other since for centuries. Yes. Are they calling a car? There's something that I can